You know that stiff, creaky feeling in your joints that can make even the simplest tasks a chore. It's like your body is saying, okay, slow down, it's time to take it easy. But what if I told you there's a way to help loosen up those joints and get moving again without having to completely overhaul your routine? That's where the gelatin trick comes in, a simple, daily ritual that can make a big difference in how you feel. By incorporating gelatin trick into your daily life, you can start to notice changes in your joint comfort and mobility, and it's all thanks to the way gelatin supports your body's natural processes. As someone who's tried the gelatin trick, I can attest to its benefits: waking up without that nagging stiffness, being able to take a walk without feeling like you're 20 years older. The gelatin trick is all about nourishing your joints so you can get back to living the life you want. By making the gelatin trick a part of your daily routine, you can start to drop that heavy, weighed down feeling and get moving again. To learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it work for you, check out the link in the description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips on getting started with the gelatin trick. With a little patience and practice, you can start feeling the difference for yourself.